Buongiorno ragazzi, hello again from our show here in Miami. We're gonna have today a special rigatoni with cauliflower and breadcrumbs. Very, very simple, really tasty, trust me. Ingredients for today, it's a fresh rigatoni made in-house, cauliflower head, rosemary, breadcrumbs, butter, Parmigiano Reggiano, and Pecorino Romano, black pepper. We're gonna put a few garlics around. Cut the broccoli and boil them in the water, blanch them for a few minutes, all right? We're going to put them in the water, but first we're gonna put some salt in the water, like the ocean. Add the cauliflower. Okay, perfect. All right, guys, we're gonna toss the breadcrumbs here. For this, we're gonna need a little bit of butter. Now we're gonna put the breadcrumbs. And we're gonna toss them. There we go. All right, let's remove the cauliflower. Let's leave the water because we're gonna cook the pasta inside the same water. Okay, so our breadcrumbs is ready. We're gonna put it on the side, ready for our cauliflower sauce. Olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna smash, yeah, there we go. Put them inside there. Put the rosemary, cauliflower. We can remove the rosemary. All right. Let it cook, let it make it become a little brown. Which is the rigatoni. Let's go. Wonderful. Fresh homemade rigatoni. There's a little bit of cauliflower inside. And we're gonna cook it for a few minutes. And then we're gonna transfer everything here. A little bit of butter. Parmigiano, Pecorino Romano. Woo. Yeah, look our pasta. Oh, everything. Now add some black pepper. A lot of black pepper. Olive oil. This is so good. Wow. The cauliflower, the cream, the little bit of butter, the olive oil, the rosemary. Everything all together, it's work of art. Okay, so our pasta is ready. Look at this, the consistency. Come over here. Look at this. There you go. So, look at this. Rigatoni with the cauliflower, some breadcrumbs, some black pepper more. There we go. Okay. Voila! Rigatoni, cauliflower, and breadcrumbs and pecorino. This pasta, we used to make it in a restaurant in New York. I used to work, called La Lupa, and it was my favorite pasta on the menu. So it's very similar, it's a variation, but it's very similar. Ah, by the way, we add a little bit of rosemary to give it that extra kick. Enjoy. You see the cauliflower? Oh, yeah. All right. Pasta is amazing, guys. I cannot stop eating it.